years.
So let us not gerrymander.
Again, I should be saying this over and over again. I don't care about Kadaga or Anita Among. What I'm trying to show you is how Museveni thrives on division and control.
The guidelines. We have not sat to amend those guidelines.
Woo! We have not sat to amend those guidelines. This is a slap in Museveni's face.
Can we allow...
She has nothing to lose. She knows that I'd rather say these words or I'd rather say them or I'll lose. And there's no, I'd rather win. Or if I don't say this, I will lose. So I would rather say them. Anyway.
Oh, the Right Honorable some more 2 minutes.
No.
Listen. Because they knew she was becoming extremely fierce. So they say, let's add her 2 minutes. She says, no.
Can we allow the Right Honorable some more 2 minutes?
No. Don't stop me. Don't stop me.
No. Don't stop me, Kadaga. And then the chairperson of the Electoral Commission in the end says, okay. Hey.
Your Excellency, a national chair.
Look at Museveni's face. I love this. Museveni has never been confronted. Never. Give me one video of Museveni being confronted by his party members. Look at his face. Lost. Look at his face. Ashamed. Look at his face. He's never been confronted. But he's being confronted for the first time ever. And not through an insult or ridicule. What she's saying, can we follow the guidelines of the political party we all espouse to be member of?
I was a backbencher for 7 years before becoming a Minister of Regional Cooperation. I was patiently seated for 7 years as a backbencher. So I don't understand why there's a rush.
Yeah.
Someone else just come for 3 years, wants to be in the top organ of the party.
They're asking Museveni questions. You just recruited this newbie, and you want him to be to lead the party? I don't care. It's a party of lawlessness and impunity.
I've done my work well. I've supported the NRM in all the elections.
Look at Museveni's face.
All of them. Supported the referendum to return multi-party. All the campaigns, I've been involved in them. As a Deputy Speaker and a Speaker, I've ensured that all our budgets were passed. I've ensured that the bills support the manifesto were all passed. I have marketed this country throughout the world. I have. I'm now the Deputy Prime Minister. I'm still doing work of integration of the East African community. And I want you to remember that just a few years ago, I was publicly humiliated in this country.
Woo!
Publicly humiliated.
Woo!
The way I was removed from the office of the Speaker.
The way I was removed from the house of the Speaker. Do you know why she's saying that? Because she was seeking for her third term. Museveni connived with some folks in the political party to endorse Jacob Olanya. So she's confronting Museveni. You humiliated me. I had served this party and you just betrayed me. Yes.
I took it in good stride. Continue doing my work.
Museveni is being confronted. I love this.
But I'm being followed.
Yeah, I'm being followed.
How much more can you press an individual?
Woo! Museveni's question. How much more? You betrayed me, but you still mock me, ridicule me. Now you're bringing these newbies to run against me. Kadaga is asking Museveni.
Mr. Chairman, I think it was your duty. And I have been talking to you about this matter for some time.
Look at Museveni's face. Please provide me a video of one individual. This is going down in history. One individual of a person confronting Museveni the way Kadaga is doing. Never.
I had informed you that
Be Museveni puzzled, bewildered, perplexed, lost.
if this matter goes to a contest, it will cause serious problems in my community. You may think, people here may think that you're fighting an individual, but you're fighting a bigger community. And that's not right for the politics of Uganda.
Yep.
It would seem that in this party, loyalty is not important. Integrity is not important.
That's how it seems like. And that is what it is. Loyalty is not important. Museveni uses one tactic. Use, dump. Use, dump. Hire another person. Use, dump. I can give you names. Jennifer Musisi.